lush. Darren crazy over here. I have to show up. Like, and this is where you get the other two plushies. Okay, so okay. Video. I think this is the special items. Inside it. If I could ever find it inside of it, and there it is. You go inside of it, it'll bring you up to the sky. Goofy. Oh my god! Yeah, it brings you to this. And there's the door. But there's this. Yeah, they're definitely gravity flip speed which they're first camera and no gravity. And if you come over here, go back down. You have to go back through in order to go back down. So please comment in the comments for I know what game you want me to play. This is the sewer, which I'm not trying to go in right now. And I don't even have my net. Okay. Oh. There's the movie theater.
It's me, basically your host today. You guys might recognize me from the body pillow shop. I'm the owner of that body pillow shop, and I'm also the presentator.
There's the bathroom.
For this.
I'm not forcing you to like and subscribe, but it really helps. You don't have to like and subscribe, but please do. Simple to ask. Okay. So what is the wrong? Okay. Off the smoke face. Okay. Well, peace.